Good morning. I am on my way to the bike ride, and I am all layered up. I have 3 layers because it is, well, my car has been in the garage, so, and yeah, the temperature is going down. It's like in the 50s, or like I think it might be like the low 50s, and I'm going to be next to Lake Michigan, so it's probably gonna be kind of windy and cold, so I even have like my long sweatshirt hoodie thing to layer on top in case I'm cold. I just remember the last time I helped with this, it was a lot colder there than it is where I live, so just because, you know, being next to the lake. But I'm really looking forward to seeing my friend, and it's a fun event because it's a bunch of people who do long bicycle rides, so it's something different. I woke Ethan up before leaving because he has to go and check on the animals. So that will be occurring while I'm doing this. So yeah. Made it here. Look, here's Heidi. Look at all the bikers. Amazing. It's Liliana! It's been a long time since you've been in my vlog.
That's true, yeah.
Since your vlog takeover, that was like a couple of years ago when you took my vlog over.
Oh my, wait, I don't even remember that.
You took over my vlog one day.
Did?
You did. You did, when you were my daughter for 24 hours.
I remember that. I just don't remember vlogging like at all.
You did. You even spoke in cursive.
I did? Oh.
Look it up. Maybe I should put the link.
Don't.
I won't.
I don't.
Welcome
to arrive.
Real still for me.
Nice.
Yes.
Whoa, yes. Yeah. One final vlog clip. It was successful. It was fun. We had mimosas and pancakes. Oh, I did a video. So that was amazing. And there were so many cyclists. It's a bike ride that raises funds for Maywood Fine Arts, which is a performing arts school that is very near and dear to our hearts. The boys have taken dance and tumbling lessons there over the years, and we wish that we had time to still do that, but right now it's just a crazy busy time, and I don't get to see my friend enough. And we're going to try to remedy that. I mean, we pretty much say that every time we're together. We're like, we need to see each other more often. And then it's just sort of like last minute, hey, let's get together. And that's usually the only thing that works, because she's got girls that are professional actors. I've got boys that are professional actors. And like, we're running like crazy. But we are going to try. Also, I can tell that I have been out in the wind all morning. Oh my goodness. I think I'm going to have wind burn on my ears and my cheeks. I was standing out all morning, welcoming people and telling them where to go eat and all of that. So, and it's very windy. Okay, so look. We are on our way to play with friends for a little bit, and then Gabriel is going to spend the night with his friend. Hasn't had a sleepover in a very long time. Yeah. But Ethan, can you share the story that you just told me on my vlog?
So I opened the door because I was shooting at a squirrel, and then I noticed that
of course.
Then I noticed that the screen was open, so I opened it like this much so I could close the screen. I'm tying my shoes, sorry. And the hummingbird flew up right in front of it, fluttered there, and then flew into the house like a couple feet, and floated right over my head, and then flew back out. So the hummingbird flew inside.
So I think that it's obvious. Well, I mean, his hat looks really cool. So the
Top of it has orange. Look.
hummingbird probably is like, ooh, is this a flower? But also, the hummingbird is friends. All the hummingbirds are friends with Cornelius. I guarantee. So I think the hummingbirds are going, oh, hey, buddy. How's it going? Ugh.
You're trying to give me a heart attack?
Oh my gosh, this is so close to the ground.
Yeah,
It's because it's for little kids. This whole place is for kids.
I wish we could go back to the theme park.
Oh yeah, it's gonna.
I haven't seen you jump off a swing for a while.
It's fun.
All right, your turn. Your turn, Ethan. You gonna do a backflip? Oh.
I've seen.
Good job.
Oh my god.
He made it.
Yeah,
I
he's.
did it.
Don't fall.
Yeah.
Wait, how are you gonna get down? There. I did it.
Wow.
Most of it has been fun for me because of the.
Thank you. I'm very bad. I will not deny that. I don't deny it. I hit it with all my.
We have come over to do the evening bird duty and animal duty and mail duty, and like there were packages and things. So Ethan has shared his bracelets. Uh-oh. Hank's walking away with one of your bracelets. They're playing with his bracelets. Oh no. What are you guys doing? What are you doing? What's going on? What's going on? She's trying to make. Oh, what you doing?
And if she's in with us. Oh, he does like the fun. You're so cute. He likes a little wee 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 wee.
She's braiding your hair. Oh, she's braiding your hair. Wait, is he braiding your hair too?
She gave me a kiss.
Oh. Oh, so cute. It's very quiet in here without the radio on. It's gonna be time for you guys to go to bed. Final clip. I am sitting here and I am like about to fall asleep. It has been a very full day and I did not really get enough sleep last night. So, I need to go to bed. So, until tomorrow.